Hello, welcome back again. Another exam question for AS level further maths, complex numbers. Given that z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and the modulus of z1, z2 is equal to 39 root 2 and the argument of z1, z2 is equal to pi over 4, where z1 and z2 are complex numbers, write z1 in the form of r brackets cos theta plus I sine theta, and give the exact value of r and give the value of theta in radians to 4 sig fig for 2 marks. Let's do that. Let's do part A first. So part A, what we need to start off with is our modulus. Find the modulus. So let's just make sure our pen's ready. Yeah, here we go. So let's do the math. So find the modulus. That will give you r is equal to, and that's going to be 2 squared plus 3 squared. The root of, 2 squared plus 3 squared. So, and that gives you the root of 4 plus 9, which is the root of 13. So that gives you the root of 13. Then we got to find the argument. Then I'll say this: find the argument. Find the argument, and that's theta. Theta will be equal to argument theta will be equal to the inverse tan of 3 over 2. The inverse tan to the minus 1 of 3 over 2. And that gives you the value of, in radians to 4 sig fig, 0.9828 on your calculator. Okay, now that's part A done. Part B, find Z2 given your answer in the form of A plus IB, where A and B are integers, for 6 marks. So part B now, we're going to start. The modulus of Z1, Z2, the modulus of Z1 and Z2, or times Z2, is Z1, the modulus of Z1, times the modulus of Z2. It's identical and equal. It's the same. So if we're using r brackets cos theta plus I sine theta, I'm going to, so I'll put that using, of course, now Z1, using Z1 is equal to, that's the root r, r cos theta plus I sine theta, and of course we're going to substitute our value found of 0.9828 in there for theta. Z1, Z2, it does say that the modulus of Z1, Z2 is 39 root 2. So going on for that, let's substitute that in. 39 root 2 is equal to, root 13 times Z2. So the root of 13, which is r, and times modulus of Z2. So that will give us 39 root 2, and if I just extend the page, divided by the root of 13, will give us mod Z2. So let's make that consistent, making sure that it's not confused with the number 2, the modulus of Z1, Z2. Okay, the modulus of Z2. There you go. So, therefore, what's 39 root 2 divided by root 13? I can say mod Z2 is equal to, and of course from your calculator, 3 root 26. 3 root of 26. Okay, now we've got to go to the argument now. The arg of Z1, Z2. The arg of Z1, Z2, is equal to arg Z1 plus arg Z2 is arg Z1 plus arg Z2, the argument of Z2. So, and I should really write it in brackets. That's Z1. Okay. And the question tells us that Z1, the argument Z1, Z2 is pi over 4. If we go back, it tells us arg Z1, Z2 is pi over 4. So I'm going to substitute that in. So arg Z1, Z2 is pi over 4. And I've got my results for arg Z1, which is inverse tan of 3 over 2. So the inverse tan of 3 over 2, and then add that to the arg of Z2 plus the arg of Z2. And well, I'm going to end up using it, so I want to really put it in a form where, because I'm considering now that in the question they say write it in the form of a plus ib, where a and b are integers. So I'm going to just rearrange it so that arg z2 is equal to pi over 4 minus the inverse tan of 3 over 2, because I'm going to substitute that in. And here we go. So we're going to use the modulus argument form, of course, using, so you're going to put that into r cos theta plus I sine theta, using r cos theta plus I sine theta. Yep. Z2 will be equal to, and we've got to write out all of this, 3 root 26. I'm conscious of the time. And now cos theta, which is, and I've put it in the form of pi over 4 minus the inverse tan of 3 over 2, and close brackets, and then plus I sine theta plus I sine theta, which is going to be the same thing, pi over 4, substitute it in, pi over 4 minus the inverse tan of 3 over 2, close brackets, and you can put that all into your calculator, and you will end up with Z2 equal to, and I'm not going to do that with the calculator because it's time consuming and I'm conscious of time. I don't like anything going over 10 minutes. 3 minutes, I'm thinking of 3i here. You get 15 minus 3i in the calculator, and I believe that's it for the 6 marks for that part of the question, and for the 8 marks in total. And that's it.